Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild here with Guarantee RV. Thank you for taking the time to check out the website today. We're going to go over a 2019 Heartland North Trail 24BH. This is a really cool trailer. I'm going to take you over the inside and then we're going to finish off going over the exterior. Follow me inside. I'm a big fan of the Heartland North Trail. Very well built trailer. Call for more details. In the back of this trailer, we've got a nice bunk here. Up to 300 pounds on the top bunk, so that can handle some serious weight. Here in the back, across from that, we've got a tub, a sink, a little medicine cabinet here, and a toilet with lots of leg room. This trailer does come with central vac, which is a fantastic feature. We've got some storage here. It's got removable shelves, or you can use it for hanging, whatever you prefer. Big booth dinette here. Does lower down into sleeping as well, but you can get a lot of people around there for mealtime. Over across from that, you've got your fridge freezer combination, stove and oven with a microwave hood combination. Good storage above your sink here. Oh, you're not supposed to see that price. That's a really good price. This has got a nice big stainless steel sink. Solid surface countertop. Nice faucet here. It's got a rotating TV here. This will swivel around. It's on a pin to lock it for transport. You pull the pin, make sure the doors are closed, and then you can swivel this TV and watch it in the bedroom. Nice feature for when you go to bed. You only have this wall separating you, and it just makes a really good use of the space. This here is the media player, and it will work with DVDs and CDs. It's AM, FM. It is Bluetooth capable. Pretty much does anything you want it to these days. It has a USB connection as well. Back here in the bedroom real quick, we've got your kind of your typical trailer bedroom here in the front with your storage wardrobe on both sides. And then storage for foldables up above the bed here. And then you've got some storage underneath the bed. Let's head outside and go over the exterior features. I want to show off the stability of these steps real quick. There's just no movement whatsoever when they're properly set up, and they are so stable, so easy to use. People have really loved those steps. A really cool new feature we're seeing on trailers. This has got a nice big electric awning here for us. Outside speakers for having a good time listening to music. We've got a slam latch door, which people just love those doors, easy to use. It's connected, or it stays up here with a magnet. Up front here we have our controls for our electric stabilizers on all four corners of this trailer. They're controlled right there. Nice space in here too. You've got a light, plenty of room for all kinds of stuff. Slam that one more time, or just drop it really is all you got to do. Nice big grab handle. The North Trail does come with a 2-inch thick sidewall. It's a vacuum bonded laminated sidewall, really well built, and it's a really just does a good job of holding in the cold in summer and the heat in winter. Well insulated. That's the word I'm thinking of. There we go. Wide track suspension really helps with your towing the trailer and your stability. People have really enjoyed that. It's been out for quite a few years at this point. You've got your outside kitchen here. Little 2-burner stove. And this propane cord here connects to a little fitting down here. There's an exterior LP connection. It runs off the LP you've already got on board, which is just another good use of space. Around back, it's kind of hard to see. We're right up to our landscaping here. We use all the space we can. We've got so many RVs. This here is a collapsible storage tray. You can put bikes, coolers, firewood, maybe a small generator on there. It's a really good feature of this trailer as well. Move around to the front here. We've also got an electric tongue jack on this trailer. So you're electric all the way around as far as your stabilizing system. Front cap, propane, we're going to fill that. We're going to provide 2 batteries. Again, I want to thank you for taking the time to check out our website and this video specifically. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. Thanks a lot, guys. Have a great day.